What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $10,000 in 72 hours. But before I do that, I want to first show you guys proof, and I also want to show you guys where I'm staying at, because I'm actually in a hotel right now. As you can see, I'm not in my normal setup in my office or anything like that. But first, let me go ahead and prove to you guys how much money I've been able to make. All right, so I got my stats right here. And this is just volume, so you just click on volume. And then we just gonna go to campaigns. And you can see today I've been able to make so far in profit, I don't think you guys can see that, but $1,000. It's only like 7 in the morning. So I'm gonna go to yesterday. And you can see I was able to make 4,000, 3,000 in profit though. And then the last 3 days, I've been able to make $10,000 and almost 7,000 in profit, right? And the day's not over. This is still including today, which is January 29th. So, yeah, it's a pretty good day so far. This is my hotel suite that I'm staying at, just in case anybody wanted to see how it looks here. I'm staying at the Royalton, and this place is pretty cool because you can order like room service straight from your TV, which is what I'm about to do. About to actually order some breakfast. I think they got a bunch of cool stuff on the breakfast menu. You can get some orange juice. I'm probably gonna add that. Might as well order the breakfast. I'm gonna add that to my cart. And this is all inclusive, guys. So everything that I'm ordering is actually free. So I'm gonna add some orange juice. I'm gonna get an omelet with cheese, tomatoes, onions, peppers. That's good. All right. What else do I want? I don't really want no pork. I'll probably get some hash browns. Add it to my cart. All right. And should I get some grits too? I'll probably get some grits too. Add to my cart. So yeah, all this is gonna be free and included at this resort. So all I gotta do is hit buy and enter my room number, 13112. Boom. All right, so that's gonna be coming on the way. I just did that on the video so you guys can see. But it's just a little simple like junior suite or whatever. Got a nice little shower, bathtub, shower. It's just the toilet right there. But yeah, I really got this room. I was gonna get like an oceanfront room, but I decided, you know, I'm gonna just go for the swim up room. So I'm gonna show you guys what this is looking like. So you can see this is the swim up room. It's pretty dope. It's real quiet right now. It's early in the morning, so not many people are out here. But yeah, I think it's heated and everything. So I'm gonna take advantage of that. They got a lazy river, and the beach is like off into the distance. I don't know if you guys can see the ocean right there, but the ocean is right there. So pretty cool, pretty cool. But that's enough on the lifestyle stuff. I want to show you guys, let me fix my camera. So guys, this is pretty much the life of a CPA marketer. It's a lot of time freedom and money freedom. Yes, I was able to make $10,000 in revenue in the last 72 hours, but at the end of the day, it came from me optimizing my campaigns and putting in the work so that I can live life on my terms. All right. A lot of you guys, you know, you want to make the money, but when it comes to setting up the campaigns and really digging in deep to learn the skills, you guys kind of slack off on that part. You kind of just want to get to the money part, get to the living life part. But at the end of the day, it's going to take you investing in yourself, okay? Are you investing in the tools? Are you investing in the traffic? As you can see, I invest in traffic. I spend money every single day. Yes, I get the money back. But at times, it was a time where I wasn't getting any money back. It was a time where I really had to figure out how to optimize my campaigns for max profits. All right. And that's what I teach on this channel. So if you've been checking out my tutorials, I appreciate you, but take action on that. You know, take action on everything I'm saying in all my previous videos, because that's what's going to lead you to this point where you see me at right now, which is taking vacations, swimming in pools, chilling on the beaches of the world. All right. I have a bunch of money in my bank account. I'm literally living the life of my dreams, all because of CPA marketing. And CPA marketing allowed me to even invest in other ventures because I have so much time freedom, right? So I don't have to sit in front of my computer all day and work. Yes, I take vacations and stuff, but I've been able to start other businesses and expand my knowledge on other things, start investing. I love crypto and stuff like that. So it's just a blessing to be able to run a business like this that allows me the freedom that I actually have. But it's really going to come down to you running traffic every single day. If you're somebody out there and you want results and you want to make $10,000 in 3 days, what is it going to take? It's going to take you first starting off with maybe $100 a day, a campaign that's making you just $500 a day, right? And knowing how to optimize and scaling it is going to be key. That's why I offer my private coaching for things where I can help you get to the next level and stuff like that. But even without my private coaching, guys, if you dig deep and master the skills that you're going to need to know for this business, it's so worth it in it. And I mean, look where I'm at, guys. I'm actually here in Mexico. You see the pool, you see the palm trees. Like, I'm chilling in a hotel suite. And this is how life is meant to be enjoyed, right? Life is meant to be enjoyed this way. Life is not supposed, you're not supposed to be at some office behind some desk, slaving away, working 9 to 5 all day. You should be living life on your terms, living a life of freedom. And that's why I put out these videos, to inspire people, because it took videos just like this to inspire me. I wasn't somebody who was fly by night. I had to grind, right? I had to learn. I took so many courses, watched YouTube videos just like you guys. You know, I used to spam in groups. You know, I used to shop at Dollar Tree, literally $30 to my name. Shopping at, pushing a cart around Dollar Tree, picking out $1 items so I can eat for the week. That's my story. But look where I'm at today, guys. I'm not struggling. I'm not poor anymore, right? I got rich because I changed my mindset. I listen to affirmations, guys. I just learned. All right. I changed the way my whole mind works, because I know at the end of the day, money, it starts with your mindset. All right. It starts with how you thinking about things and how are you viewing the world. Because some people, they just think, no, it's a technical thing. It's going to be 80% skills. But if you watch any of my other videos, you know it's 20% skills, 80% mindset. And if you don't believe that, then you probably won't ever have any of this, because at the end of the day, it's going to take a certain mindset around what you're doing. Because it's so many people that attempt CPA affiliate marketing, but why is only 1% a super affiliates? I mean, you see other super affiliates out there. They're on YouTube. It's not just me, so you know it's proof. It's working for other people, but at the end of the day, why is it not working for you? It's most likely your mindset. What are you putting into your brain? Are you consuming bullshit all day? Are you actually sitting here learning? Are you sitting here going through courses? Are you going through people's private coachings? What are you doing to make your situation different so that you can live a different life? Because if you're doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, that's insanity.
Hola.
Hello.
¿Servicio room service?
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Where I put this?
You put it here.
This go?
Mm-hmm.
This omelette?
Nice. Okay.
Orange juice?
Yeah, you put it there.
This butter is made.
Okay. All right, guys. So they just brought my food. They actually forgot my grits, though. I don't really care. But he said he's gonna go get them and bring them back. But omelet looks pretty decent. I don't remember ordering any pork, so I don't know how that's on the side either. So yeah, they kind of tripping, but I'm not tripping about it. Still a good day for me. Just have some of this orange juice. Man, it's like fresh orange juice, like freshly squeezed. But yeah, guys, I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my day. I'm gonna go hit the beach. take a swim, stuff like that. It's a lot of activities to do at this resort. So I'm gonna just enjoy it, enjoy my vacation. I'll try to bring you guys another video if I can think of some value to add or something like that. I'll definitely make a video while I'm here and stuff. I'm still gonna be working. My private coaching is still open. I'm still gonna be helping students out and stuff while I'm on vacation. Yeah, this is just a little relaxation trip. Get out the house. Atlanta weather was kind of, on the BS. Gonna be raining all week, so I decided, why not take a trip? All right, so that's all I got for this video, guys. Go ahead and do me a favor and like this video. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, if you motivated. Help show this video some love. That helps YouTube spread this video to more people and put it in the algorithm and stuff like that. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.